In this section, we will understand mergers and acquisitions. Is there any difference between mergers and acquisition? Yes, technically there are differences between merger and acquisition. There are differences in accounting treatments in mergers and acquisition. But what is the objective of this mergers and acquisition? The objective of both merger and acquisition is to increase the value of the business or increase the value of the firm. Okay, let's gain some basic understanding on what is merger and acquisition. Let's say there are two companies, company A and company B. They are in similar line of activity, and company A has separate market presence in various locations. Company B also has separate market and it is also present in different locations. Now this company A and B come together and they believe that if they unite together, they'll be able to capture a larger market. I mean, they'll be able to have presence in multiple locations, and this is going to give an overall benefit because of coming together, because both the company A and B need not incur any fresh set of investments for making their presence in new market and new location. So this is going to give them a bigger benefit called synergy. Okay, here company A would be able to make use of all the benefits created in marketing, location and various aspects. Similarly, the company B also would be able to enjoy all this, and hence we say there is a synergy. So company A and B, let's say they have decided to come together and become one, and that's called as merged entity. Here a new entity may be formed when company A and B would become one. Let's say for example Messrs AB, which is in turn created, and this is a classic example for merger.